and we start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim. We're on page 66. The big topic is the same, Lashon Hara, laws of derogatory speech. Today's topic is self-incrimination. Go ahead.
It is forbidden to relate derogatory information about someone even when the speaker mentions that he himself has the very same shortcoming or is guilty of having committed the same act. This is derived from God's rebuke of the prophet Yeshua for his having referred to himself as a man of impure lips, dwelling among people of impure lips. So this is okay. So Lashon Hara cannot be spoken even when it is clear that one is not speaking out of malice or with intention to malign. Thus, one cannot relate negative information about his loved one. So just wait. So you can't even talk about yourself, pretty much. Okay, that he himself.
Yeah.
Is,
go ahead. Mm-hmm.
Wait. It says about someone even when the speaker mentions that he himself has the very. Oh, so like basically it's like, oh, like he's having trouble with money, but so am I having trouble with money. Like
No, I used to have exactly the same issue.
Yeah.
So this is absolutely forbidden. So if it's something like derogatory, I mean he's gambling, he's in cash advance business, like
right.
something like that. So even if you mention yourself, so that does not permit you to speak bad about others. Like this example that they give from Yeshayahu. So he was one of the most righteous prophets, and he said, "I'm the man of impure lips, dwelling among the people of impure lips." He was trying to say, like, how am I? I'm deserving all of this honor. Who I am? So he was.
I'm also a sinner, just like they're all sinners, pretty much.
Exactly. Yeah. So who am I to deserve? And it says that angel took a glowing coal and touched his lips, right, for speaking about Jewish people like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So all right. So let's start. So before we go to Rambam, so let's start with a question. Could you describe the situation, and we're going to end.